In this video, I am going to show you how to create Facebook account. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. So if you want to create a new Facebook account, you have to tap on create new account, which is present at the bottom side of your screen. Now you have to tap on create new account. So first of all, you have to type in your first name and your last name. Once you're done, you have to tap on next. Now you have to select your birthday. So I will simply do that. Once you're done, you have to tap on next. Now you have to select your gender. So I will simply select it and again tap on next. So you have to enter your mobile number now. This is crucial for creating your Facebook account, or you can even use your email. So I will simply use my email. Now you have to type in your email. Once you're done, you have to tap on next. Now Facebook will ask you whether you already have an account with this existing email. So you have to tap on continue creating account. Now you have to create a password for your Facebook account. Make sure that your password is at least of 6 letters and it includes numbers as well. You have to create a strong password that others won't be able to guess for your own security. So once you're done, you have to tap on next. Now Facebook will ask you whether you want to save your login info. If you save your login info, your information will be saved in the account center and you won't need to enter your password every time that you log into your Facebook application. So I will simply tap on save. Now tap on I agree. Now tap on choose different account. Tap on no, create new account. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So as for the last step, you will receive a 5-digit code on your email that you entered. So you have to enter that 5-digit code. So once you're done, you have to tap on next. Now Facebook will ask you whether you want to add a profile picture for your Facebook account. You should add a profile picture as it is a way of differentiating you from other users. So I will simply skip it for now, but you can add your picture later on. So from here, Facebook will ask you whether you want to turn on contact uploading to find your friends faster. I will simply tap on not now as it is not really important for me to do that. Now tap on skip. Now tap on next. So everyone, as you can see, by doing this I have easily created my Facebook account. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.